In this video, we are going to do something a little bit different. Yep, we're going to have an unboxing video of a Dacia 1300. This is obviously a scale model. It is a 1 in 43 scale. These cars are basically a license-built Renault 12. They were built in Romania for many years. I don't know who makes these this scale model. Obviously, this is a language I cannot even read. But from what I understand, it's a company called IXO. On this side it does say in English that it's made in China, but doesn't say by who. So without further ado, let's cut the box open. I don't know if this is the proper way to do it, but hopefully I won't damage the model itself. By the way, this is brand new, but as you can tell by the box, it's sort of a new old stock. So it wasn't manufactured yesterday. It's probably a few years old. And there are a few of them available on eBay. This one came from Spain. But otherwise they are quite rare. And voila! It of course has a stand of its own, a podium that is screwed to it. Now I'm going to remove this and display the car without the screws, because I don't like cars that will not roll. The details on the model are very accurate, I would say. The original car looked pretty much like this, even down to the hubcaps. Yeah, the rear number plate is a bit skewed, but it's glued in place, so there's nothing I can do. That's where the fuel filler cap was, or is on the original car. Speck of dust there. Chromed windscreen wipers. Details of the front. And interior detail, which is also accurate, but you probably won't see much on this tiny little model. The overall proportions of the model are bang on. It's pretty much identical to the real thing. And it seems to be a fairly high quality model. Good paint on it. there are no heating elements on the rear window, which on the real car are actually quite prominent. So that's a detail that's missing. Of course it's called 1300 because it had a 1300cc engine. Small 4-cylinder that made something like 58 horsepower, if I remember correctly. Okay, so let me get a screwdriver and remove the model from its pedestal. Right, so I'm back with a tiny screwdriver, Phillips head screw. So Dacia 1300, 1 in 43, made in PRC, or People's Republic of China. Not many details underneath, they are actually mostly incorrect as well, so it's just a random underside of a toy car. The muffler seems in the correct place. But overall it is excellent. I am very pleased with my purchase. It does roll freely, so you can play with it. Not that I'm going to do that, obviously. So yeah, overall an excellent model, even though we don't know who actually made it. The only drawback is that it is a bit on the small side. I didn't really know how big our 143s, but they are actually pretty small, especially when compared to the larger, more common 124s and 118s, which are just huge. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's a bit different from the usual stuff that I have on the channel.